What could be causing my Honeywell thermostat to not light up?
Hello and welcome, everyone. In today's tutorial, we are going to look into a common problem many of us face: a Honeywell thermostat that's not lighting up. If your Honeywell thermostat's display is dark or non-responsive, it could be due to a few reasons, and we'll help you troubleshoot and hopefully get it back to working condition.
Is it a power issue?
The first and most common reason your Honeywell thermostat might not be lighting up is due to a power issue. Battery. Check if your thermostat is battery powered and if the batteries need replacing. For most models, there should be a low battery indicator, but if the batteries are completely dead, the display might not light up at all. Replace the batteries and see if that solves the problem. Circuit breaker. If your thermostat is wired to your home's electrical system, a tripped circuit breaker might be the culprit. Check your home's electrical panel and ensure the breaker connected to your thermostat hasn't tripped.
Is it a wiring issue?
Another common reason for your Honeywell thermostat not lighting up is a wiring issue. Loose or damaged wires. With the power turned off, remove the thermostat from the wall and inspect the wiring. Look for any loose connections, damaged wires, or signs of corrosion. If you spot any issues, it's best to call a professional to fix the wiring.
Is the thermostat broken?
If you've checked for power and wiring issues and everything looks fine, the issue could be with the thermostat itself, faulty display or circuitry. Over time, the thermostat's internal components, including the display or the circuit board, could fail or become damaged. If this is the case, your best bet is to replace the thermostat. And there you have it. These are the most common reasons why your Honeywell thermostat may not be lighting up. We hope this troubleshooting guide helps you find and resolve the issue. If all else fails, consider reaching out to a professional or the Honeywell customer service for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more handy tips and solutions to common home maintenance issues.